Right guys, as you know, these are the locking pins for TufLuck, and these are 25mm hardened locking pins with a 73 by 35mm hardened padlock that has anti-drill, anti-pick and anti-bump cylinder. And next to this padlock, we're also testing another padlock. It's a bit bigger, bit thicker, again hardened steel, but it has a combination lock. What do we think? Obviously we won't just release TufLuck with some random padlocks, so these will be sent off for testing. I really like this because obviously you can set your own code, but you can quickly change it by twisting this little pin when the padlock is unlocked. And it's super easy to lock it. Or when you put your combination in, unlock it. What do we think? As you can see, it looks really good on TufLuck.